Recently, I had a chance to get up north and hang out with a buddy of mine, and he's putting together this spot. He's been talking to me about it for quite a while, and I thought, you know what, yeah, I'll bring my camera up. And I just wanted to get an idea of what he was talking about. I saw some things online that he sent along to me, and I thought, you know, maybe I can just put a video together for you. And years ago, I had a friend tell me that the best way to go buy a car is to go to the car lot and ask if you can take it to the car wash. You get a real intimate view of the flaws and just up close and personal. So I thought, is there a better way than to just film what happens between guests before the next guest arrives? And this is what that looks like. Yeah, so
this was dirty, but of course it was. And I shook it off, and it came pretty good already.
yeah, it looks
So
nice.
vacuum it; it should come out really good.
You'll take this back up to the house? Or you're gonna just vacuum it right here?
Fire up the generator and vacuum it right here.
Right. Okay.
Vacuum inside there.
And the generator, can you tell if did they have to mess with it or anything, or?
I haven't even looked at it.
Okay. This has been such a magical experience. Truly needed a reset and
Respite?
respite. Okay. We definitely will be back to visit again.
This is back from the original.
Wow.
From last year too. You want them to be having the most amazing time. So when you come back the next day and you read this, you're like, oh yeah, they had.
Yeah, they had an enjoyable time.
Yeah. Our work is worth it.
This is having a ripple effect in
Right.
that couple's
In
lives.
people's lives.
I want to do more stuff like that. It's off the
Right.
beaten path. It's not a circus.
Right.
That's weird.
Oh, you know what? Sometimes people do this. Yep.
Oh, they turned it off.
Yeah. Sometimes they do that.
Like that couple that was just here turned that off when they left. That was really cool of them.
Yeah.
Like being responsible. Like, yeah,
Probably should. It fires right up pretty quickly.
So I'm gonna hold that in for like 15 seconds.
Yep.
Call that 10, 9, 3, 2, 1. So I just let go of it, and then do you adjust this?
You can crank it right on up.
Oh,
Yeah, buddy.
wow, nice. And then to shut it down, you just go all the way
crank the knob.
clockwise, and that's it.
That's it.
That's pretty simple.
Yeah.
You want to open up the yurt? I want to do like a little, even in its messy state. You come in here after the guests leave. They tell you that they took off, and you're like, all right, let's get on renewing the whole thing. So then your process is you come in here and the bed's already like made. Like, did they make it?
That's a mattress protector. So we tell them not to remove that unless it's soil.
Right. Yeah. Leave that sucker on there. So they're kind of walking around with their shoes on in here, and that's okay, right? Because you're just going to vacuum it up.
Yeah.
What's the deal with this? You just like you don't want any sunlight type of thing, or what happens here? Does anyone ever use this?
Oh yeah. It doesn't get used much in the this time of year because you want it to warm up in here. It's 55 degrees at night,
Right.
so it gets cold in here.
Right.
If you leave this open and the sun has to do is come out for a half an hour, then it just instantly gets warm in here.
Right.
So what we've done in the past too, if you do like this half of the room
Oh.
and leave it down so you can see out above the bed,
Right. Okay. Yeah. That makes sense.
there's different things you can do with it.
They feel the freedom to just grab a hold of
Yeah.
this and
Sure.
play around with it however they want.
Right.
It's beautiful in here, man. All right, so that rug never got used. So the one that did get used that was over there, we're going to vacuum it up and get it nice and clean, and bada boom, bada bing.
That's it, yeah.
And then after we've vacuumed this all up, then we'll place that, make the bed, wait for the next guest. And
They'll be here this afternoon.
they'll be here this afternoon.
Yeah.
All right, so we got work
So
steam.
you have to do some maintenance,
Right,
like every third visit or whatever.
right, okay.
So like right now, we got one coming in tonight, but then we don't have anybody for like 4 days. So
Right.
we'll take that 4 days
And make
to
good use
clean
of
the
your time.
top, retighten everything because it slowly like stretches.
Right.
So it kind of like as it stretches. So you got to go out and pull the ropes tight.
Right.
The cover, I just noticed too, loosened up way more this year than it did last year when we put it on. So I'm going to have to go out there and pull that tight again, rewrap it. Because this should be pretty tight right here.
Tight as a drum.
Yeah.
Right.
You can't have it too tight because then the zippers don't like to work.
Right.
So there's like a happy medium there.
Yeah. You're constantly monitoring it.
Yeah.
Right. And then there's certain things like humidity, temperature, all those things that are going to change at night. And you got to anticipate that.
Right.
Because like you get it perfect in the day, then at 9 o'clock at night, they can't get out. So you got to have that all in.
Yeah. It's like little minor adjustments all the time.
They come out here. They didn't. So it doesn't look like they didn't use it. They didn't use that. Mm-mm. But if they wanted to, they just put in one of the little pods.
Yep.
And make a cup of Joe.
Yep.
Or a cup
creamers.
Or tea.
Every kind. Yep. Tea. Flavors of all the different.
Oh, that's awesome.
Creamers. All the different flavors of coffee.
Wow, that's great. You
just pop your cup in there.
You
fill
salt
this up.
And pepper shakers.
Tell it to go.
That's awesome.
And you got a cup of coffee. It comes from that cord that runs from the jackery in the bathhouse.
I want to go camping, but at the same time, I want some modern convenience.
You want coffee in the morning.
Yeah, you don't have to build a campfire. At the same time, you're not dealing with. I wish the kid upstairs would stop stomping his feet in the car outside. The alarm keeps going off. Yeah. No one's around.
No.
What is that? What's going on here? Like the game?
The game center. Yeah.
There's the game center.
Oh yeah. Cornhole. Those are big dice. These are big giant dice for like Yahtzee.
Nice.
And it's got the little pad in there to.
How fun is that?
Yep. Huge jumper. This is jumbo checkers. So the checker. That's how big the checkers are.
That's awesome.
This is comical.
What is that? Are you kidding me right now?
Grab that ball right there.
Oh my God.
Is that funny or what?
That's great. I think the idea is when you come to an establishment like this, I think people are just like, I need a break from reality, electronics, the pressures of work and this, that, and the other. And I want to zone it all out. But at the same time, that might have such an effect. They're like, but it would be nice to play Connect 4. Check out this little thing and see if I can put a ball in there.
Yeah, you know.
This is awesome. You got a little fire extinguisher, little first aid kit.
Gotta be safe.
You guys thought of everything.
You turn this on and make it like, let's say red.
Yeah.
So yeah, at night, the whole thing glows red or blue or...
That takes the game experience up a notch.
Because then it's guaranteed. You need light, you got it. So you bring your living quarters horse trailer, you pull up, you roll your awning out and everything, you put your horse in the pasture. It's right there where you can just feed it, love on it, brush it, groom it, all that, right?
Right.
You throw it back in the living quarters and you go ride somewhere. Even though there are some trails to ride here, go a little bit in the edge of the woods.
Okay.
That's where you put your actual, like, picnic table, right? Your site. So a lot of them like to pull off. So they'll go up north for 3 days. And then they'll stop somewhere for a day and a half or whatever. And then they'll finish the trip to get home.
Right, the last leg of whatever.
The middle leg.
Maybe it's the middle leg. They're going to swing in, stay the night. Their horse gets out of the trailer, gets to stretch his legs or her legs or whatever. And then they're going to have a meal, maybe leave the horse here, go explore the local, whatever's happening out here.
Yep.
Get a bite to eat.
Lake Michigan.
5
minutes away.
Lake Michigan is 5 minutes away from here?
Yes.
That's awesome. We took a little time to take a break and eat and just get ready for the next chapter of what was next on the workload, and it is huge. These folks put a lot of attention to detail, and there are just so many. I thought it was just so unique how the next guest, and they have just a revolving list of people coming in that they don't even know. They just have reservations and their name, and it was like somebody really important was coming, and they wanted to make sure that every little crumb was taken care of. Every little detail had a name, and I felt like I was kind of interrupting. I felt like I was a distraction a little bit, and I just wanted to help. They have such a great program, and they've approached this with strategy, and it's so well thought out. There are so few places that you can be where you can just unplug, relax, get away from the job, the traffic, the pressure, the noise. This is one of those places. Somebody has taken the time to make it all convenient for you. All you really have to do is make a reservation. I'm going to put up some information here at the end of the video. I hope you get a chance to experience this. It's pretty unique. When I was reading through that book, I definitely got the sense that this is just staying for one night. It's just a really unique, memorable experience. There's people here that, their proposal happened here. There's people here that just really needed a break, and as I was reading along, I was just ended up being heavy-hearted by the time you were done. I hope you get a chance to experience that.